after constructing the maximum heap, now how we have to construct the minimum heap for the following elements. So what is minimum heap? Minimum heap is a complete binary tree. It satisfies the following condition. If the parent node's value is always less than its children's values. Okay, so this property is minimum heap property. Whenever this property is satisfied, then that binary tree is called as minimum heap. Okay, now first insert element 32 initial. Now first insert 32 into the empty minimum heap. Whatever the first node, we have to insert it into the empty minimum heap, that is the root node, and it is also the first node. So 32 is inserted into the empty minimum heap. Okay, single node is also satisfies the minimum heap property. Okay, next we have to insert 15. So 15 can be inserted as a left child of 32. So now whether it is a minimum heap or not. Okay, so now 15 parent is 32. Okay, in the case of minimum heap, parent node value is always less than the children's nodes values, so that we have it does not satisfy the minimum heap property, because so 32 is greater than 15, so that we have to swap these two values. Then we are getting, so 15 is the root node, parent node, and 32 is its children. Okay, now so here 32 parent is 15, so 15 is less than its children value 32. Okay, now it satisfies the minimum heap property. Next we go to insert 20. So before inserting 20, the existing minimum heap is this one. Now 20 can be inserted as a right child of 15. Okay, here we does not follow the binary search tree insertion. We have to follow the binary tree insertion. Okay, now so here 32 and 20 are the children's. So 32 and 20 parent is 15. Okay, so now 15 is less than 32. Yes, 15 is less than 20. So now it satisfies the minimum heap property. So root node parent node value is always less than its children's node's value. So 15 is less than 32, 15 is less than 20. So both it satisfies the minimum heap property. Hence we can say that it is a minimum heap. Okay, next we have to insert 30. So before inserting 30, the existing minimum heap is this one. Okay, now 30 can be inserted as a left child of 32. Okay, now whether it satisfies the minimum heap property or not. Okay, so here 30 parent is 32. Here parent node value is always less than the children's node's value. 32 is less than 30, false. Okay, it does not satisfy the minimum heap property. So now we have to swap these two nodes. So after swapping, we are getting 15 and this is 30, and here this is 32, and here this is 20. Now we have to check whether it satisfies the minimum heap property or not. 32 parent is 30, 30 less than 32. Okay, as condition true, it satisfies the minimum heap property. Next, 30 and 20 has the parent 15. So 15 is less than 30, condition true. 15 is less than 20, condition true. Both satisfies the minimum heap property. Hence, we can say that it is a minimum heap. Okay. Next, insert 12. Before inserting 12, the existing minimum heap is this one. Now, 12 can be inserted as a right child of 30. Okay. Now, after inserting 12, it satisfies the minimum heap property or not. So, minimum heap property is parent node value is always less than its children's nodes values. Here, 32 and 12 are the children's of node 30. Okay. So here the parent node is always less than its children's nodes. Here 30 is less than 32. Okay, it satisfies the minimum heap property. 30 less than 12, it is false. So now we have to swap these two. So after swapping, we are getting 15. So now here this is a 12 and this is a 32. Here 20, here 30 and this is 20. Okay. So after swapping 12 and 30, so now 32 and 30 has the parent 12. So now parent node value is always less than its children's nodes values. 12 is less than 32. Yes, it satisfies the minimum heap property. 12 is less than 30. Yes, it satisfies the minimum heap property. Now, 12 and 20 has the parent 15. Okay. Now here the parent of 12 and 20 is 15. So parent node value is always less than its children's nodes values. So now 15 is less than 12. False. Okay, now it does not satisfy the minimum heap property. Now we have to swap these two nodes. After swapping, we are getting 12 is the root node, its left child is 15 and its right child is 20 and 15 left child is 32 and 15 right child is 30. Now we have to check after performing this swapping. Now it satisfies the minimum heap property or not. So now 32 and 30 has the parent 15. So now 15 is less than 32. Yes, it satisfies the minimum heap property. 15 is less than 30. Yes, it satisfies the minimum heap property. Now 15 and 20 has the parent 12. So now 12 is less than 15. Yes, condition true. 12 is less than 20 as condition true. So all the nodes satisfies the minimum heap property. Hence it is a minimum heap. Okay. Now we have to insert element 25. So before inserting element 25, so the existing minimum heap is so this one. So now 25 can be inserted as a left child of 20. Okay. Now it satisfies the minimum heap property or not. So 25 parent is 20. Okay. So now parent node value is always less than its children's node value. 20 less than 25. As it satisfies the minimum heap property. 32, 30 has the parent 15. So 15 is less than 32. 15 is less than 30. S satisfies the minimum heap property. 15 and 20 has the parent 12. So 12 is less than 15. 12 is less than 20. So it satisfies the minimum heap property. After inserting 25, this is the resulting minimum heap. Okay. Next we have to insert element 16. Before inserting element 16, so what is the existing minimum heap? So this is the existing minimum heap. Now we have to insert element 16 as a right child of 20. As a right child of 20. Okay. So now it satisfies the minimum heap property or not. 25 and 16 or has the parent 20. Parent node value is less than its children's nodes value. 20 is less than 25 as it satisfies the minimum heap property. 20 is less than 16, it is false. So it does not satisfy the minimum heap property. Now we have to swap these two nodes. So after swapping, we are getting 12 left subtree. There is no change at all. This is 32 and this is 30. So right child, here we are getting 16 and this is 25 and this is 20. Okay. So after performing the swapping between 16 and 20, we are getting this one. Now we have to check it satisfies the minimum heap or not. 25 and 20 as the parent 16. So 16 is less than 25 as it satisfies the minimum heap property. 16 is less than 20 as it satisfies the minimum heap property. So 32 and 30 has the parent 15. So now 15 is less than 32 as it satisfies the minimum heap property. 15 is less than 30 as it satisfies the minimum heap property. 15 and 16 has the parent 12. So 12 is less than 15 as it satisfies the minimum heap property. So 12 is less than 16 as it satisfies the minimum heap property. All the nodes in that one satisfies the minimum heap property. Now this is the minimum heap. So in the minimum heap, root node has always less than its parent node's value is always less than its children's value. Okay. Or its descendants. So 12 is less than the all its descendants. So 15, 16, 32, 30, 25, 20. All are less than the node 12. Okay. Now it is called as minimum heap. Okay. So after inserting all the elements in the minimum heap, okay, so here root node value is 12. Okay, so it is inserted at index 1. Okay, its left child is located at 2i. 2i means I value 1. So 2 into 1, that is index 2. At index 2 we have to store its left child. 12 right child is 16. It is located at 2i plus 1. I value is 1. That is 2i plus 1 means 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. At index 3, 12 right child is 16 is stored. Okay. Here its index is 1. Here its index is 2. Here it is index is 3. Now, so 15 left child is 32. So here its left child is located at 2i. I value is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. At 4, so at here 32. 32 is located at index 4. Okay. Its 15 right child is 30. It is located at 2i plus 1. I value 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. So at index 5, 30 is stored. Next one. 16 left child is 25. Its left child is located at 2i position. 2 into I value is 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. At index 6, 25 is stored. Next, 16 right child is 20. So it is located at 2i plus 1. I value 3. That is 2 into 3 plus 1. Here 20 is stored. Okay. So among all the elements, so 12 is minimum. Here 12 is minimum among all its descendants. Okay. So this is the construction of minimum heap for the following given elements. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasarao. Thank you.